Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Flair Airlines support. Here are the steps to contact Flair Airlines support using the Flair Airlines web app. The first thing to do is to open your browser and go to Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. Once you're logged in, scroll to the bottom of the home page and find the Contact Us. Find the Contact Us category, which we have in here. Now, under that, you have a couple of options: support, flight status, newsletter, group travel, careers, Flair Cadet program, pilot careers, about us, news and media. Go ahead and click on support because you actually need support, right? So once you get in here, in the contact us page, you have a couple of options here. Now, how can we help you? Select a topic, visit our fax, or chat with us. So you can select any of the topics here and they will definitely attend to you, or you can just visit the frequently asked questions to ask frequently asked questions, which are there. Okay, then let's say okay. So let's say I need like more information on flight information. So you can click on that and enter your flight status and departure and click on search for you to get more information about that. But let's say you don't want to use any of these options, right? And you just want to chat with them. You just want to send them a message directly so that they can attend to you. Just head over here at the bottom left corner of your screen and you see the speech bubble. Now click on that and that says message Flair. So start asking questions to get help. Now in this communication box, go ahead and let them in on what exactly you want. Describe your issue in detail and just click on the send message and Flair will definitely respond to you. If you want to add supporting document, just go ahead and click on this link, this pin icon in here, and then just select any of the documents that you want to select and they will definitely. So let's say there's a hi there and you have the send icon, so you can just go ahead and send the message and describe your details, your issue in detail. That's if none of these will work for you, none of these information that are detailed in here in these topics will help you. If none of these will help you, then just go ahead and use this chat bot and Flair will definitely get to you. So that's pretty much it. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.